Hello friends, we're gonna talk about immunoglobulins. This is a part 2 lecture. I already discussed about introduction of immunoglobulin in last lecture. So I have to draw immunoglobulin structure. This is an immunoglobulin structure. Is a tetrameric protein. And in blue line we have to draw disulfide bridge. And in orange pen I have to draw light chain. In blue I have to draw disulfide bridge, disulfide bond, and then in red pen heavy chain is called heavy chain, and in blue orange pen is a light chain. So there are 5 types of immunoglobulins. So in first is immunoglobulin G, and second is immunoglobulin A, third is immunoglobulin M, and fourth D and E. So you may recall that gum D. These most important immunoglobulins. So how they come from? How scientists to detect this immunoglobulin? In case of antibody, there is heavy chain is disturbed. So scientists may recall that it is in 5 types of immunoglobulin. So gamma, alpha, mu, delta, and epsilon. And in case of light chain is disturbed, so scientists may recall that there are 2 types of immunoglobulin, kappa and delta. This is not important so much. So gum they, it is arranged in their own form. So you may recall that 1, 2, 5 and 1, 1. 1 means it is an monomeric antibody. So I have discussed about antibody means is also called as immunoglobulins. Antibody means immunoglobulins. It's the same thing. And then immunoglobulin is arranged on structure of 2 antibodies. So in between them is one protein, means chain, you may call that chain is J chain, J protein or J chain. In case of immunoglobulin M is a pentameric in structure. So 5 immunoglobulin attached to one J chain, between J chain is also J chain. And in D is D and E is monomeric. Monomeric antibody. So there are 3 monomeric, 1 dimeric and 1 pentameric. So first and immunoglobulin is G immunoglobulin. G is, may recall that G for God. God. God means mother. So this immunoglobulin is goes from mother to fetus. This is one of the immunoglobulin is go to mother, from mother to fetus. Immunoglobulin G. In fetus there is no immune system will develop. That's why this immunoglobulin helps us. In case of immunoglobulin A, there are five subtypes of immunoglobulin G: G1, G2, G3, G4, and G5. But all immunoglobulin will goes from fetus, but except G2. G2. You may recall that G2 does not cross. He does not cross placenta. Immunoglobulin A. You may recall that A means a secret. A secret. Secret is secretion. Immunoglobulin A is for body secretion. So which secretion? There are four types of secretion: sweat secretion, saliva secretion, and tears, and most times is milk. In case of immunoglobulin yum, you may recall that yum is a mahan. Mahan means it's high molecular weight, highest molecular weight. Yeah, of course, there are pentamerican structures. Molecular will be increased. So his most important point is that in case of infection, this antibody is always formed in first. So next is immunoglobulin E. May recall that E is an allergic reaction. Of course, spelling starts from A, but you may recall that E, allergic reaction. In mast cell, these immunoglobulin will attach to in mast cell and then release an histamine. So we recall that from mother to fetus, which immunoglobulin will form comes. It is an immunoglobulin G. In case of fetus, there is no immune system will produce, but in case of immune system will produce, then which is the first produce is immunoglobulin yum, and from mother milk to the baby, which is responsible is immunoglobulin A. Okay friends, thank you.